हेलो एंड गुड आफ्टरनून गाइस. फ्राइडे की ऑलमोस्ट इवनिंग आफ्टरनून में अभी तो हैं हम 3:36 PM बाय द स्टूडियो क्लॉक. फ्राइडे की शाम होती है आपके सवालों की और उन सवालों के जवाबों की. सो इन शॉर्ट, दिल की बात उषा जी के साथ, जहां आप लाइव जुड़ते हैं उषा जी के साथ, जो कि एक स्पिरिचुअल एडवाइजर हैं, साइकिक हैं, हीलर हैं, एंड शी ऑल्सो possesses clairvoyant powers. And with all these abilities, she answers your question. It could be live on air अगर आप अभी कॉल करना चाहते हैं. The number is 510-770-1550 or you can always call her directly for all your questions. The number would be 925-827-2033. ushag.org and ushag.com website है to get all the information about her, about sessions, about how she can help and guide you, which is spelled as ushagi.org and ushagi.com. With that, let's begin. Hello and happy Friday, Usha ji.
Happy Friday to my dearest listeners, and thank you for joining us here today. And I'm here to answer your questions, your queries, or just for you to share, if anything, that you had asked me before and how it panned out and how are you doing. So absolutely stop by and give us a call at the studio just to say a hello, and we are so welcoming to hear from all of you. The year has been shooting past, and now literally in a couple of weeks we will be welcoming the new baby of 2026, right? It's a new year, so always considered a little baby when this year begins, and an old man by the time we say goodbye to December, right? So I hope that all of you are doing well. There is that nasty form of flu going around again this winter, so please take care of yourselves and your families. And I'm sending you a lot of blessings for joining me on this show year after year, week after week. Thank you for following us here. And my pleasure to be here today and to share with you some advice, some tips, some insights, and of course, the predictions. That's what you call for, so here I am.
Ji, Usha ji, before we go further, I would like to remind all the listeners that studio lines are open now and you can call us. The number to reach right now, the studio line number is 510-770-1550. Call us if you have one quick question. Usha ji, we have a caller.
Hanji, let's take the call.
Hello, you're on air with Usha ji.
हेलो उषा जी, नमस्ते. मैं मधु बोल रही हूँ सैनिटों से.
नमस्ते मधु, recognize your voice. Welcome to the show.
आपका सवाल तो मेरा बहुत सालों से हो गया, तो मैं आपको उषा जी, मैं ना अभी वेडनेसडे को शाम को 7 बजे के करीब सैनिटो स्ट्रीट पे फुटपाथ पे क्रॉस करने लगी थी, तो मेरे को ना मैं गिरी, इतनी बुरी तरह गिरी, तो मेरा सिर फ्लैट तो अभी बहुत सारी बॉडी में इंजरीज हुई है.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry बेटा. तो क्या शाम का टाइम था, अंधेरा था, क्या हुआ?
नहीं, हाँ, वहाँ डिम लाइट थी, अंधेरा था, और जो फुटपाथ था ना वो टूटा हुआ था, उसमें पैर अटक गया. तो मैं ऐसे मतलब के फ्लैट पत्थर की तरह से 2 मिनट सेकंड के लिए मैं पास आउट भी हो गई थी.
I'm so sorry बेटा. देखो ना, यही होता है, फॉल्स हैपन सडनली, बड़े एक्सीडेंट हो जाते हैं.
अर्जेंट केयर में मेरा बेटा मुझे ले गया, उन्होंने सारे स्कैन वगैरह करे, अभी भी डॉक्टर के साथ जा रही हूँ, बहुत हालत खराब है. मैं आपको एक बात इसलिए फोन किया है, यू आर ए वेरी रिलीजियस पर्सन, और आपके गुरुजी हैं, आप सब अच्छी बात बताते हो और पूरी होती है. मैंने आपको कई बार टेस्ट भी किया हुआ है.
अरे थैंक यू.
मेरे को ना द क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि मेरे को वेडनेसडे को सेम टाइम ये चीज होती है. 2019 में 7 बजे वेडनेसडे को मैं टारगेट स्टोर में गिरी थी, ऐसे बहुत बुरी तरह, आई फॉल डाउन. और ये अभी ये वेडनेसडे 7 PM सेम टाइम, बिकॉज आई वाज थिंकिंग ये हो क्या रहा है. एक बार और 3-4 साल पहले भी ऐसे हुआ था, पर मैंने इग्नोर किया. तो माई क्वेश्चन इज टू, आप इतने रिलीजियस हो, आप बताइए क्या मेरी लाइफ मेरे तो उस दिन आई वाज सर्वाइव्ड,
Oh my God, I'm so sorry بیٹا. شکر ہے کہ فٹ پاتھ پہ گرے اور سڑک پہ نہیں گرے. And if any of you are listening, San Mateo County people, please fix your sidewalks. You know, we are an aging population.
فٹ پاتھ جو تھا نا فلور ٹوٹا ہوا تھا.
وہی تو.
فوٹو لی اسے. اور لائٹ بھی ڈم لائٹ.
I know, light بھی dim, فٹ پاتھ بھی سیدھی نہیں. So please, city workers, go fix all these potholes on the streets, on the sidewalks.
پیر اس میں جو ٹوٹی جیسے اینٹ ٹوٹی ہوتی ہے نا بیچ میں.
جی میں سمجھ گئی. ہاں مڑ گیا اس وقت. سو مدھو بیٹا ابھی آپ کی عمر کتنی ہو گئی ہے؟
ہاں عمر تو بہت ہو گئی ہے.
کتنی ہو گئی ہے؟ مجھ سے تو چھوٹے ہو. مجھ سے تو چھوٹے ہو. کتنی کیا عمر ہے ابھی؟
ابھی میری ڈیٹ آف برتھ ہے 27 جنوری 19. میرا جو سیلر چور لگی ہے نا میں سب کو بھول جاتی ہوں, یاد نہیں رہتا. ابھی بات کری تو
کوئی بات نہیں. تو میرا مطلب یہ ہے کہ دیکھو نا ہمارے سب کے فون پہ بھی فلیش لائٹ ہے, اور ابھی تو کبھی کوئی ایمرجنسی بھی ہو تو لوگ فلیش لائٹ ہی یوز کرتے ہیں. رائٹ, نمبر 1. 2-3 سوال ہیں آپ کے یہاں پہ کہ بھئی بدھ کوئی چوٹ کیوں لگ رہی ہے. بدھ شدھ ہوتا ہے, یوزلی بدھ شدھ کہتے ہیں. رائٹ, تو یہ میں نے نہیں دیکھا کہ اس بدھ کو کہ آپ کے کچھ گرہ ایسے تھے. میں نے دیکھا کہ آپ کے دماغ میں نا بہت زیادہ سوچ ہوتی ہے. پورا ٹائم آپ کا دماغ جو کر رہے ہو کام اس وقت فوکس نہیں ہوتا ہے, کیونکہ دماغ میں بہت ساری باتیں گھوم رہی ہوتی ہیں. تو اب کیا ہوتا ہے کہ ہماری دس از اے میسج ٹو آل آف یو, جو بھی ناؤ از کنسیڈرڈ سینئر سٹیزن above 55, we're all considered senior citizen, and we know our brains are working, our bodies are fine, everything is great, but there is something about constantly not being mindful کہ جو کام کر رہے ہو اگر سڑک پہ چل رہے ہو تو سڑک پہ دھیان دو, اینڈ اور اس وقت اپنے دماغ سے باقی باتیں نکال دو. کیونکہ جیسے ابھی آپ نے کہا کہ میری یادداشت میں بھی فرق آ رہا ہے, اینڈ دیٹ از آلسو مدھو کہ پورا ٹائم سوچتے سوچتے نا تو دا برین کین اونلی ڈو سو مچ, ریمبر دیٹ یو نو, اینڈ اس کا دھیان کرو بیٹا. کیونکہ گرنے سے میں بہت ڈرتی ہوں گرنے سے. لاسٹ ٹائم آئی فیل ڈاؤن آئی بروک مائی ہپ, رائٹ, تو اس سے پہلے ٹانگ ٹوٹ گئی اور بہت باہر گری ہوں اور ہڈیاں ٹوٹی ہیں, اور ہڈیوں کو جوڑنے میں وقت لگتا ہے. شکر ہے آپ کا یہاں پہ کچھ ٹوٹا پوٹا نہیں, اینڈ اٹس آل فلیش انجری, لیکن فلیش کی انجریز میں بھی بہت زیادہ وقت لگتا ہے کہ ٹھیک ہو. ہڈی تو جڑ جاتی ہے لیکن جو فلیش پہ تکلیف آتی ہے, جو شریر پہ آتی ہے, اس کو بہت وقت لگتا ہے. تو ابھی دھیان دینا شروع کرو بیٹا, دھیان دینا شروع کرو. اگر چل رہے ہو کہیں پہ فٹ پاتھ پہ تو صرف جہاں پہ قدم رکھ رہے ہو اسی چیز کو دھیان دو. میں نے نہیں دیکھا کہ یہاں پہ آپ کو وہم کرنا چاہیے کہ بھئی بدھ کو نا ببل ریپ کر کے خود کو گھر میں بستر میں بیٹھ جاؤ, کہیں مت جاؤ. ایسا میں نے نہیں دیکھا بیٹا, میں نے نہیں دیکھا. میں نے دیکھا کہ کوئنسیڈنٹلی ہوا ہے کچھ ایسے دنوں پہ, لیکن بدھ کا دن آپ کے لیے بھی اچھا ہے بیٹا اوور آل, ڈونٹ وری. اینڈ ابھی جیسے ہم مانتے نہیں ہیں نا خود کے لیے کہ بڑھاپا آ رہا ہے, لیکن بڑھاپے میں ہیں ہم لوگ. وی آر سینئر سٹیزنس اینڈ وی آر سینئر سٹیزنس اینڈ وی نیڈ ٹو بی ویری کیئرفل. اینڈ میں نے نہیں دیکھا کہ بھی بیلنس خراب تھا یا کچھ. وہ تو کوئی جوان بھی ہوتا نا, اس کا بھی پیر اس میں اٹک کے مونچھ آ جاتی, گر جاتے, لیکن آپ خود کو سنبھال نہیں پائے. تو ان دس میسج از فار آل یو سینئر سٹیزنس. سو اپنے جو شہر کا سینئر سینٹر ہے وہاں پہ دے ہول کلاسز on how to protect yourself while you're falling. تو اس کے طریقے سیکھ لو. اور یہ چیز نا اس میں بھی سکھاتے ہیں مارشل آرٹس میں بھی, how to fall. That's very important, how to fall. کیونکہ اس وقت اگر پریکٹس ہوگی نا تو immediately you're going to side turn کر لو گے اپنے شریر کو, اور اپنا جو وزن ہے وہ الگ طریقے سے زمین پہ گرے. تو جس طریقے سے آپ گرے نا, جیسے پتھر گرتا ہے ویسے ہی آپ گرے. So you need to take that class, and I'm so glad you're talking about this. So today's message is for everyone. Learn how to fall. It's very important. It can be the difference between broken bones, concussions, killing yourself, accidentally because you fell and you hit your head. So you all need to know that. And it's very important for all of us to know how to twist and turn our body if we are falling unexpectedly. Good luck, beta. You will make a full recovery. Lekin kuch time lagega, Madhu. So take care of yourself. Hare Ram, beta. Thank you for listening and calling in.
Yeah, actually the call got dropped. I hope she got her answer. And agar aap Usha ji se baat karna chahte hain, whoever is listening to us, you can always call and connect with Usha ji directly, 925-827-2033. Usha ji's direct number. Again, it's 925-827-2033. Or just log on to the website to get all the information about her. Website is ushag.org या ushag.com. Both of them आप किसी पे भी जा सकते हैं और आपको सारी information मिल जाएगी. Again, it's ushag.org and ushag.com. And if you have a quick question, we have some time left in the show. We can take few more calls. 510-770-1550, studio lines number where you can call us right now. Usha ji, we had a caller. Her name is Sneha and her age is 32.
Yes.
And she has been looking for a job since 3 months. She was working as a software engineer. So she just wanted to know when will she get her job.
But is she working right now?
No, she lost her job 3 months ago. And since then she has been looking.
Okay, so let's see. Sneha, 32, and she's a software engineer. Let's see. 3 months ago. So, and we don't know how long she's been working there. Is she on the computer?
No, she said 6 years.
6 years at the past job. All right, 32. Sneha, 32, past 6 months, 6 years, and 3 months, no job. So, Sneha beta, you get ready, ripe and ready for lots of interviews because it shows as the beginning of 2026, she's going to start getting not offers, but interviews. And make sure that you're prepping yourself. Don't just rely on what you knew already. Because, having a techie job means you have to constantly stay abreast and stay on top of everything that's new coming in or reviewing what you know already. Because I did see that she will be getting a job around March, but I saw that her interviews will not go well if she doesn't pay heed to this information that I'm sharing. So, Sneha beta, I hope you're hearing and listening and get up to date, beta. Get ready. Interviews are coming. Good luck. Good luck. Thank you so much for calling the studio line and asking your question, and I hope you got your answer.
Usha ji, today you actually brought up a very important topic, and I think holidays time is to think more about the community, more about what seniors need, what kids need. So any reminder for the families who are listening to us right now?
Absolutely. A friend of mine was saying, okay, I'm out and I'm heading to the mall and I'm heading to the stores and I'm helping corporate capitalist America make some money off me, right? So I was like, good for you helping the economy, right? So it's always about thinking what they would like to receive. I find many times people think what they want to give without thinking if it is going to be something that that person would appreciate, would like. I mean, of course, people appreciate the thought. They appreciate that you thought of them and you went out of your way to get a gift, wrap it up pretty and hand it to them. But it always has to be about thinking what the other person would like to receive. Remember that, and even husbands and wives, they think, well, I want my husband to have this, but they underscore or they don't underscore the fact what the husband would like, or the husbands usually are in a worst case scenario clueless about what their wives want, and many times they'll just say, bhai jaake le lo jo tumko chahiye. Right? But that takes away the joy from gift giving. It's not just about the fun, the knowing that somebody who loves you dearly went out and picked this for you versus that they just said, go get yourself a gift. And so many of my clients, I think it's convenient to do that because, if I get something, I know she won't like it. Well, then learn what your wife would like. Or ask her for choices what she would like. I mean, the kids will make a Santa list, right? If you tell the kids, make a Santa list and they will give you, you know. My older daughter was never into all that. She would say, oh, Santa will know. And it used to confuse me so much because then I would have to really dig deep and get her something that she would know that Santa knew what she would want, right? But my younger one, in 2 minutes flat, she would give you a long list that went on both sides of the page. And you'd be like,
right way.
I'd be like, that's a very long list. She goes, yeah, well, at least Santa has choices. And that made so much sense that Santa had choices. That means she wasn't expecting it all, but at least she was giving choices out there. If I don't get this one, I'll get that one. If I don't get that one, I'll get this one. Right?
Right.
And that's what I think couples should focus on. And especially, I talk to a lot of people when they have their older elderly in the house, in-laws or their parents, and they think that unko kis cheez ki zarurat hai, they don't need anything. Gift giving is not about the needs. It's, if it covers the needs, great, right? When my kids were struggling, young couples, I knew they just needed hard, cold cash. That's it. So then I would make it fun. I would, stuff balloons with it, or I'd wrap it up funny, or once I got a big pizza box and they were like opening it and like, a pizza from Mountain Nights? And I'm like, yeah. And then they opened and there was money in there, so
wow.
Just to make it fun, because it's all about the fun. It's not about कि अब सर पे पड़ा है, अभी गिफ्ट देनी पड़ेगी, पिछले साल उन लोगों ने दिया था, इस साल हमको भी देना पड़ेगा. No, वो हिसाब किताब की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Because you do it because your heart wants to. You get the joy from giving. And of course, please, the homeless are hurting. The soup kitchens are low on supplies. And this year, the Toys for Tots dibbas did not make it on time because the government was shut down. And I had to chase down which locations were accepting my Toys for Tots, because I've been supporting that charity for ever since I stepped into this country, and I came here in November, and right away was Christmas and all of that. So from that time on, I've been always giving to Toys for Tots, and of course other organizations. And please, many organizations have, adopt a family or adopt a grandparent, because so many elderly, and today we began with the elderly, right, with Madhu's fall. They don't have any family left, or they're far away from their family. One of my dear friends, she was an only child, and her mother was an only child, and her father was an only child, right? Mm-hmm. So that eliminated mama mummies and chacha chachis, because they were both the only kids. And then, so she has very far cousins, and now because she's in her 80s, and the older we get, we lose a lot of our loved ones. So she's only literally got one दूर की cousin, that's it. वो भी कहीं और है, not here, locally in Europe, right? Mm-hmm. So they get so lonely over the holidays. So adopt someone, invite them to participate in the joy of the season. If you're having a gathering, invite a few people that you don't know but would like to just extend your home and the warmth of your hospitality to. And if nothing else, take your kids and go visit people at this, the elderly homes, which are so many of them, right? So please do something that will be out of your comfort zone, but it will bring so much comfort, so much joy to that person, to think that somebody took it upon themselves to come and say Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and just go and just say hello, or go volunteer someplace. I know that I'm always giving this advice, but at the local shelter where I usually work, we were so short-handed. We did not have enough people, and we understand that people will come when they can, but my message to all of you is go volunteer, and especially the animal shelters. It is like one of the ladies said, she goes, it is DEFCON, because there are so many abandoned pets at the shelters that every single week thousands and thousands are being put away, right? Because, euthanized, because we say, okay, they're being put to sleep or whatever, be kind, but they're being killed. And it's so unfair. So go volunteer. Grab some old blankets and go drop them off because they're cold. They're cold, we're cold, they're cold, right? So if you can, drop off some extra dog food, some treats. If you can, go volunteer and take a little doggy for a walk because they're locked up in these tiny cages and we're really hurting on volunteers, really, really hurting this season. So please come out of your comfort zone and do something, take a step, lend a hand, go there, share your time. That is the true meaning of the holiday season, right? I mean, I'm Hindu, but we celebrate Christmas lagatar. You know why? Because when Diwali comes, it's a work day, nobody's available, when you're just doing it on the weekends, right?
Mm-hmm.
And at least for Christmas, sabki chutti hai, everybody shows up, right? So it's so much fun. And just the belief that we can, as a community, as a group, share our love and joy with each other. What better thing is there? I don't think there's anything better than sharing our love and joy with others, right?
Gee.
And it doesn't matter if you lost your job, you're feeling unhappy. If you just give of your time, honestly, so much joy will come in that you will forget about how unhappy you are for that little short bit of a time, and that will inspire you. That will inspire you, absolutely. Like the old kahavat, right? If you're complaining your bed is not comfortable, think about the person.
At least you have a bed.
Yeah,
absolutely.
At least you have a bed, right?
Yes.
So, absolutely. So please do that, and I'm here. Call me if you have any questions. I'm here to help answer. If you're wondering what the new year will bring for you, call me. People usually call, they get a whole year analysis of what to expect and what not to expect. And I'm here to share my insights with you. ushaji.org, ushaji.com. अब तो यहाँ पे कॉल नहीं कर पाओगे, टाइम तो हो गया, है ना?
जी.
हाँ, तो फिर call me directly, my dear listeners, 925-827-2033. So, and you can get that on my website. So it's ushaji.org, ushaji.com, and the spelling is USHAJI. So I just want to make sure that you're hitting the right alphabet so you get the right link.
Gee, absolutely. Thank you so much, Usha ji. And I really feel that we are so grateful that you remind us of all the much needed things which sometimes in the rush of life we do forget. But thanks for bringing it up and reminding all of us, and especially in this important time of the year. So listeners, do give back whatever, wherever you can. And not just this time, but yes, this is the time, so we can use it. Abhi aap sun rahe the Dil Ki Baat Usha ji ke saath. Every Friday, Usha ji comes on air on Radio Zindagi. But agar aap unse is beech baat karna chahte hain, milna chahte hain, so do reach out to her directly by calling 925-827-2033. It could be anything about your relationship, about your money matters, any questions you have for yourself, for your kids. Do reach out to her directly. Usha ji, who is a spiritual advisor. Usha ji also possesses clairvoyant powers. She is a psychic, a healer, and these powers will definitely guide you when you have any question in your mind, any confusion in your life. So do call her, do get guidance from her. And with that, Usha ji, we are almost at the end of our show. Thank you so much for you to join us on air today, and to all the listeners who tuned in.
Thank you for having me. Have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next Friday.